The Methodist Family Health Foundation is committed to helping children and families realize their own worth, find healing, and find hope. Many of those in their care struggle to afford necessities. So in addition to providing basic essentials, the foundation uses what they call the Compassion Fund to help meet the unique and individual needs of the children, teens, and moms in their care.
Imagine trying to talk about your deepest traumas whenever you don't have a comfortable place to sleep, or don't have comfortable clothes to wear, or you're hungry. The Compassion Funds is able to help support those necessary things.
It's often about identity as well, and helping kids explore the things that you explore when you're a teenager. Do I want to be a band kid? Am I a cheerleader? Do I play sports? Those are needs that aren't built in when you're in foster care. And so it takes intentionality and opportunity and money to fund those things. So we've purchased trumpets, clarinets, drum sets, guitars.
The average request is usually around $50, but depends on the situation of the child. Just some of the items they procured include a comfortable bed, entrance to a scholarship pageant, eyeglasses, a senior portrait session, taekwondo and yoga classes, and even helped a student travel to perform the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade with the school's band.
We were able to use Compassion Funds in a really powerful way for one of our youth in my girls' home who is Indigenous. She visited with an uncle and aunt and cousins for the first time ever, and we were able to visit them in Washington at Christmas. As a result of that connection, we were able to facilitate for her to go again this summer, and then ultimately we ended up placing her in Washington. Without Compassion Funds, I don't know that connection would have been able to happen. This is a kiddo who was left here by herself. She met several key people in her tribe. She has a tribal social worker, she has a mentor, and then she started learning her language and did online classes to learn her language over the course of a year. And ideally, as she spends more time with her people, she'll match with a family in her own tribe and be able to be placed there.
The Compassion Fund pays for more than physical items. It pays for experiences and opportunities that matter and could potentially be life-changing.
The Compassion Fund also helps fund things like therapy tools, so fidgets, compression blankets, weighted vests, noise-canceling headphones. These items help with their therapy, help them reach their therapeutic goals.
I have a client who was missing a tooth, and we had a very generous donor give a new dental implant for him. Lots of time and service and money was given to that, and in a very short amount of time, someone accidentally threw it away. Compassion Funds paid for that second replacement.
It allows us to be more empathetic and give second chances when sometimes there wouldn't have been. Even first chances.
Everything about that request for that child was for his emotional and social well-being. And so getting that replaced, it was an instant change in his countenance and his confidence. He got to know that there are adults here who are really on his side and will meet his needs, and that because he waited for a very long time to get that replaced. Our Compassion Fund requests range from $25 for a gas card to $2,000 for a plane ticket and a hotel. It's a whole range of needs. It's always a balance because we work with kids that have trauma and hard experiences in foster care especially. Mm-hmm. And so it's finding those shiny moments that remind us that
why we
things are good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. We run across so much bad working with kids and adolescents that have been traumatized. So it's a blessing really to be able to solve these small what seems like small inconveniences for them, like not having shoes, to be able to say, hey, here's some shoes, let's go back to school, let's go back to class, and see them do well, it's priceless.
We invite you to be part of these transformative moments to help kids race to a better future.